To upgrade your Airflo 12, you need the following items: your Airflo 12, a laptop, a Torque T20 screwdriver, and a URL link containing software for the Airflo 12 and Picket 3, and the Picket 3 cable. Firstly, remove the side panel of the Airflo by removing the screw on the underside of the compressor. Remove the screw and slide the side panel down and away from the compressor. Locate the programming socket from the battery compartment using either your finger or the screwdriver. Connect the Picket 3 cable to the laptop and to the Airflo as follows. Your Airflo is now prepared for upgrading. Locate the Picket 3 software and run Setup. Import Airflo hex file from the URL link and click Write to install. For multiple programming, plug in another Airflo and press Write. Unplug the programming cable from the Airflo 12 to check software update has been successful. Plug in the charger and you will see one green light flashing at the bottom of the battery ladder. Replace the side panel of the Airflo to complete your software upgrade.